This is some mind-blowing information I'm about to bust your brain with. So stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joanne John, and if you are new here, welcome to the family. I hope you do hit that subscribe button. Yeah. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for staying with the family. So yeah, let's get into the video. In today's episode, I am going to be teaching you guys how to shoot your short internet version, okay? And if you guys learned something new in this video, you can let me know if you want a one-on-one version or like a face-to-face version instead of online. But yeah, for today's video it is an online version. So how to slide into DMs, you know how to Snapchat guys and shit like that, and girls. So yes, all the tips I'm going to be giving you apply to both male and female. So oh my gosh, shut up! I don't know why chicken is something like that, but okay. Tip number 1. I feel like I should rub lip gloss. Or oh my god. Okay. We did it. Proud of us. So we need to prepare ourselves, okay, to start this short shooting that we're about to do. And what better way to catch the person's attention than having a bomb ass profile picture? Now, before we get into this, please let the profile picture be on, okay? Don't come and put one Instagram body hottie on your profile picture, then they come and be tantalized. Then I come and open your page, your profile picture is not matching the person in the page. You get me? You feel me? So please, I do beg you to use your own picture as your profile picture. Okay, so now into this tip. The reason why I say this is because first impressions are everything. So you need your first impression to be bomb, okay? You need this person to be scrolling through their notifications and be like, ooh, who this? Let me see, let me check it out. Because nobody's gonna open your page from their notifications unless your profile picture looks inviting. So have an inviting profile picture so that they can actually go into your page. All right, I beg you, please listen to what my dear friend I am Frosh said in his video on Instagram. Know your I won't say level, because that would just sound like, okay, some people are beneath other people, but know your size, okay? Cut your cloth according to your what? According to your size. You cannot come, although in some rare cases, like we see on like Funny African Pics and Tunde Etnot's page, some very rare cases we see some very different people getting together. But you see, if your case is not rare like that, you can just cut your coat according to your size. Thank you very much. Have a good day. On to the second tip. Tip number 2. Once we get the first impression down, now we're going to look on how to get the attention. You get me? The clickbait has been prepared nicely. Fresh hot pepper soup waiting. Now we're gonna look for how to get them to look at the pepper soup. So now, to get the person's attention, if this person has an open account, whereas their account is not private, then you should do this. Basically, if you are not already following the person, don't follow them. Okay, don't follow them just yet. Just go onto their page and like at most 5 pictures. Okay, that's more than enough to get their attention, also more than enough to make it look like you're not like a stalker. You just, you know, you like their content. You're like, oh, I like your content, but I'm not like a creep that's like going through all your pictures up to 2012, and make sure they are recent pictures so they don't know that you actually scroll down to the end like a creep that most of us are. But we don't want them to know that. So okay, 5 pictures at most. Guys and girls, do this. Now, if the person falls for the clickbait, which we prepared for them earlier, and they see your picture in their notification, okay, they're gonna want to click. All right, and if they click and your page is not tantalizing enough for them to follow you, I'm sorry, then that's your fault. Nobody can help you then. But if your page is tantalizing enough and then they decide to follow you, that's great. Okay, we can move on to the next tip. And if your page is not tantalizing enough, why am I saying tantalizing? we're going to have to work on that. If they did not follow you but they liked your pictures, that's great as well. If they did not do either, don't worry, you still have hope. Okay, so if they liked your pictures and they did not follow you, that's calm, that's fine. At least they liked your pictures. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So now the next step is you can either do this. Okay, if you're 100% confident that this person better be into you, you get me, you feel me, you can go back and like a couple more, just to be 100% sure, to prevent you from entering DM and embarrassing ourselves, because we don't want to be embarrassed. You know, women and men, they can embarrass you sometimes, you get me? So we're just going to go back and like a couple more pictures. Okay, don't make it too much. Not trying to look desperate or anything. So as we have done, we have now liked a couple more pictures in it. Honey, if he goes back, or if she goes back and likes a couple more pictures, you can follow. Okay, you can follow. Pride is not your friend. Pride is only going to stop you from achieving greatness. So we are going to follow them back, and if you are not feeling like, oh, going back to like some more and waiting for them to like again, you can just follow them right away. It's not really by force to actually go back and start liking some more. Higher sides, we won't follow them, they don't follow us back. So once we do that, once we follow them, we're gonna chill. Okay, we're gonna chill and wait. Did they follow back? Did they not follow back? Now I'll put a pin on that. On to the people that got a follow immediately after liking at most 5 pictures. Now, if they followed you after that, okay, usually if they follow you, they will actually like some of your pictures. But if they don't, that's fine. At least they followed you, which means they are interested in you or the content that you post, which is good. Either ways, because you have an avenue to start a conversation. So now, I urge you to throw away your pride, because pride is nobody's friend. Pride is very, very, very different from dignity. Okay, now I'm not telling you to go out there acting like, you know, crazy. So what you're going to do is you are going to slide into the DM real nice and slow. Okay, obviously we're going to follow them back, because if we don't, that's just going to seem weird. So if they followed you, yeah, you definitely follow back. Duh. And then you are going to slide into their DM nice and slow. By nice and slow, I mean you are going to ding ding ding. You're going to do your research. That's what you're going to do. You're going to go through their page and find out what kind of content they are actually interested in, what kind of content they post, their likes and shit like that. When you find out the things that they like, they're interested in, you know, meaningful things that you can actually start a sensible conversation with. Okay, you can now go inside the DM and comment on that. Comment on something, and make sure that the thing you want to comment on is something that you have knowledge about, because if you don't have knowledge about it, you're going to embarrass yourself, you're going to embarrass me that gave you the advice. So please make sure you have knowledge about it. If you don't have knowledge about it, go and read about it. Just shall know what you are saying before you go and start a conversation you cannot end. For example, if you go onto my page, you would see that I am interested in arts, anime, fashion, and jewelry. Now, it is up to you to decide what you actually have the brain capacity to talk about with me. So if you get up and you actually watch anime as well, you can decide, I want to talk about this is what I have knowledge on, so let me go with this. And then you comment if I have a post about anime or an anime I watched or something. You can go and comment, oh my god, I love the anime, I love that anime, or I hated that anime, or this is not really my thing, blah blah blah. What do you think? You see, first of all, you're not only sounding like the typical person requesting to message them or sliding into their DM. You're not sounding like you're trying to hit it and run away. You are sounding like you are actually interested in this person's likes and opinions. So, and people like to talk, okay? Everybody likes to talk about themselves. So you see, once you refer the conversation back to what do they think, what is their opinion on something, what do they like, they're going to want to answer that, okay? And if you did follow my first two steps, cutting your coat according to your size, getting a tangible, tantalizing profile picture, and obviously having a very nice feed with actually quality content, they are going to be very interested in replying your DM. So, might I say that you have successfully shot your shot. So you can unsend your message after a couple of days if they don't reply you, and if they do reply you, voila, my job is done. Literally, that's it. My job is done. You carry on that shit, okay? You carry on. For my dear friends that were already following this person that they want to shoot their shot at, okay, you cannot come and unfollow them and then follow them back. That's gonna seem very strange, especially if they actually notice that you were following them already. That's gonna be so awkward. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep following them. Yeah, we're going to keep following them, and we are going to try the story reply move. Now, it might not be the best move. You can actually, if you feel like you went unnoticed all the while that you've been following that person, that's calm. You can unfollow them and then follow them again and do all the steps I told you about. Or you can keep following them, try the story reply move. So what you're doing is, you're not going to do the typical story reply where you reply with a heart emoji, heart face emoji, fire, 100%, the regular quick replies. You're going to do exactly what I said concerning sliding into the DM as well. You're going to talk about whatever the person posted in a meaningful manner and asking their opinion, referring it back to a question, basically. A meaningful conversation. You are trying to start a meaningful conversation because most people do not answer DMs, especially since you were already following them. They are not going to accept the request if the conversation, the first talk, is not meaningful. So once you start off with a meaningful conversation that can actually draw their attention, then you most likely will get a reply, other than saying, oh fire, oh my god, you're so cute, you're so beautiful. So basically, back to the people who got the like and not the follow. Like I said, you can choose to follow them. Hopefully they do follow back. If they do not, life doesn't end. You can try shooting yourself somewhere else. Okay, maybe they didn't even notice. You can try the whole process again, and if it still doesn't work out, there is no shame in retracting your messages and your love or your crush or whatever it is you are feeling for this person. Packing your bags and getting out. It's no shame. So with these few points of mine, I hope that I have convinced you and not confused you on how to shoot your shot as a girl or as a guy. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Did you learn anything new? Did I give you any useful information? If you feel like I missed out on anything, please let me know in the comment section below as well. I will be sure to reply your comments. Okay. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you are not already following me. And if you enjoyed this video, please, it costs 0 naira, dollars, pounds, euros, dirham. Is that how they pronounce it though? Canadian dollars, whatever it is, okay? It costs 0. Practically 0. Notification bell. Notification. It costs 0 any currency, okay, to hit the notification bell. Hit the bell, please. I beg you, hit the notification bell, okay? Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video, because I post every week, okay? Oh, why am I always so hyped up? Joanne, you're a fucking weirdo. But I like it though. Like, I like it. Oh, I'm such a weirdo. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. It goes down in the film.